this is introduction. Today we are going to introduce you to the Fit Perform training course methodology, and we will teach you the first two of the big four coordination that are essential for this program, as well as giving you an overview of how this course will be structured. In the first week, you will start with stability exercise, which will be excellent body base for higher levels of your coordination and performances. During the second week, you will feel mobility while having a good core stability. In the third week, you will perform a higher level of motor control, and in fourth week will be directed in body shaping exercise and building a great posture. Before starting your daily exercise, please start with running in place or something similar about 3 to 5 minutes just to prepare your muscles to work. Every lesson includes your daily lesson explanation, lesson video, and exercise guide videos in a variety of positions. You will watch the given videos and try to reproduce the exercise. You need to pay attention to the body, head, arms, and leg position and feel the muscles you work with. Your goal is to reach 10 repetitions of every exercise, but it is important to do only a number possible with a good quality. If you lose main task, you lose the whole exercise. We recommend that you practice this exercise every day for a 10 to 15 minutes. Before starting the course, you will test yourself standing on one leg. Please stand on one leg and feel how stable you are. And more important, which part of the foot do you feel, external or internal? Your pelvis should be in line. Stay in the position for 1 minute on each leg. If you cannot stand whole minute, you can measure how many times you stumble in a minute. Please record the results. Stand near a table or fence and hold onto the surface with one hand. Lift the leg closer to the hand. When you stand on one leg, raise the opposite hand from the raised leg in front of the face upwards and look over the hand. Your body now has 3 counter rotation. The raised leg rotates to the one side, the opposite hand rotates in the other direction, and the head again toward the standing leg. Your pelvis should be in line. You should feel the thumb, the inner edge of the foot, and the outer part of the upper leg. When you stand in proper sprinter coordination, you feel the muscles of the front of the body diagonally from the bent leg to the bent arm, which is flexors, but also the back muscle chain of the leg you are standing on to the arm you are leaning on, extensors. Stand near a table or fence and rest one hand on the surface. Lift the leg closer to the hand, slightly up and out. When standing on the one leg, lift the arm opposite of the raised leg up and out. Your body now has 3 counter rotations. The raised leg rotates to the one side, the opposite arm rotates in the other direction, and the head now faces the raised leg. Your pelvis should be in line. You should feel the outside edge of your foot and the inside of your upper leg. When you stand in proper skater coordination, you feel the muscles on the front of the body diagonally from the standing leg to the standing arm, which are flexors, but also the muscles of the back from the raised leg to the opposite raised hand, which are extensors. stability is a topic of the first week. Having a stable and strong the important part of the body, mostly core muscles, help us to control the movement and maintain proper form and alignment, but also prevents injuries and allow us to perform at our best in sport, but also improve your overall health and well-being. In the first week, you will learn how to achieve great stability in different positions. You will feel all your core muscles automatically if your performance is precise with a given exercise.